Day 17, we're in Abu Dhabi, not too far from Dubai, in the United Arab Emirates. So after the craziness of Dubai, Abu Dhabi was a bit more relaxed, or a very different pace at least. I'm a big Formula One fan, which is racing, and they have a track there. I always thought that I would make it to Abu Dhabi for a race. And in my mind, I always thought I'd be taking photos. But we were here on the cruise, and as everyone left in the morning for their shore excursions, we had to stay on board to shoot some special guests. So at different ports throughout the cruise, there's some VIP guests or special guests from the local ports that come on board to meet the captain. There was a plaque ceremony. So we got photos, we got a little bit of video footage. So that meant we were on call for a couple hours. Our day was pretty much cut in half or maybe more, which is fine. That's the job we were there to do. So once we were done with that, we basically had an hour and a half or 2 hours tops left. And we calculated that it wouldn't be enough to go check out the attractions in town, especially the Grand Mosque that I'd wanted to see. It's beautiful. But you know what? You always got to save something for next time. So we didn't go there. Also, it was getting really hot at this point in the cruise. We were entering the part of the world where temperatures are over 40 degrees Celsius and reaching 100, 110. I think we even saw 120 at one point on the TV screen when we were at sea. And so basically we needed to get some summery clothes. And Iouri especially didn't bring many t-shirts. He had a lot of long sleeves. So we said, all right, let's go to the mall. We can pick up some essentials and I'll get some Wi-Fi and upload some of the vlogs from this series that I started editing at the time.
All right, so we're in Abu Dhabi. What do we need?
Mall, Wi-Fi, and that's it.
And maybe some air conditioning because it's really hot here. All right, let's go. All right, we're on a mission to find Wi-Fi. All right, this is what an accelerated tour of Abu Dhabi looks like.
And honestly, this is the first time it's ever happened to me, going to malls in that part of the world or in Asia. Like, there's no Wi-Fi.
What? It's true. I'm down too. I feel so alone.
But no Wi-Fi. And also it was Ramadan, so a lot of the shops were closed. And so people wouldn't give us their Wi-Fi passwords. But we got some stuff and we decided to head back to the terminal.
We didn't see anything. We saw the port and the Marina Mall. And Iouri got some stuff, so did I.
But once we got back to the cruise terminal, I realized the Wi-Fi there was absolutely brilliant. Super fast.
We're in the port here, and I'm almost done uploading.
I should have tested it before we left because I would have just stayed there for 2 hours.
YouTube upload on the way here before we go.
And I started uploading one video, it went super quick. The second one,
we're 1 minute away from embarking.
And then I started seeing all the passengers, going back onto the ship. I said, okay, all right, I know I'm pushing it, but I have one more to upload, and I know I'm going to be at sea for the next few days, and better do it now, because I'm going to regret not doing it.
6%, 27%, 30%. We got this.
Notre ami Puxan est en train de faire un truc qui est assez drôle. Il cherche du wifi à Abu Dhabi pour télécharger notre deuxième vidéo.
Trying to get the Wi-Fi at the same time walking back towards the ship.
La chaille.
In the end, we made it, so that was victory.
People, let me tell you about my best friend.
We managed to download 3 videos, so all in all, pretty good day in Abu Dhabi. Are we the last people to go on? The last 2 passengers to get on this ship.
Le dernier sur 5000.
New record.
Abu Dhabi was definitely less intense than Dubai. but still fun. I hope you enjoy the content and behind the scenes of what sometimes, our job is as content creators, and our addiction to Wi-Fi, because, Wi-Fi on ship is great to check mails, but when you're uploading gigabyte files, it's not at all made for that. So I hope you enjoyed seeing a little bit of the behind the scenes of that part. If you haven't already, please subscribe. That really helps me out. Hit that bell so you know exactly when videos are posted. Make sure to check out my Instagram as well. You can follow me there for a photo a day. Usually I post there. Posted a photo a day during the cruise ship, so if you scroll down enough, you'll find that. And stay tuned for more. See you on the next one.